Hello guys, follow me, let's cook this egusi soup. Some vegetable oil, rosemary, bayleaf, mixed spices, crayfish, pepper, onion, garlic, paprika, curry, ginger, garlic. I added my blended melon, crayfish, pepper flake, tumeric, everything is in that spices. So here is my bitter leaf. I added it now because this bitter leaf is bitter. So I stir together, and now I'll be adding some of my dried washed fish. I'll give it a quick stir. My return is thank you. My new and my old thank you. Keep subscribing, keep following. I added some tomato puree just to give it that red taste. Thank you guys. That red look. Follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. So I added 2 cups of glass of water and I gave it a quick stir, and I will cover it and cook it until it is cooked. So yeah guys, it is cooked. I added my already cooked protein, stir together, and I will cook it again for some minutes. So this is properly cooked guys, look at that. Calling for pounded yam, amala, fufu, eba, stash. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow for more amazing video. Bye, see you in my next one.